Hello, today I am unboxing Hasbro Spider-Man No Way Home Titanheroseries black and gold suit. I got this from Shopee, I think last month or last week. I really like this figure. The black and gold suit really looks good in person. If you're tempted to buy, please do because it looks good. If you have the backpack from other Power Effects Titanheroseries figures, it will work. Spider-Man No Way Home is probably one of my favorite MCU movies right now. These cost about $6 or 300 pesos in Philippine money. Definitely worth the buy since the retail price would be 999. So for 300 it's a bargain. See, the figure looks really good, and I really love the gold paint. It looks dark grayish in real life, so the Hasbro pictures looks like it's painted black, but it's not. It's dark gray in real life. Some parts are removed from the Far From Home figure, but the arms are new mode. The wrist articulation are a bit elastic, so if you try to move it, it will go back to its original place since it has a jelly-like texture to it. The board, I really love the Titanheroseries, and I really love that board. It's really high tech, I think. I was looking for my backpack in this part. Yes, that's Black Widow from Infinity War. It really looks good. It's very detailed than the other one. There are two versions of Black Widow from Infinity War. Yes, there's the backpack, which I unboxed from my other video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out.
Here comes Spider-Man. It's web slinging time.
The shells are like alien-esque looking.
Web shooters engaged.
Giant pufferfish.
It's web slinging time.
Giant super lobsters. This is by far the biggest super lobsters I've ever seen.
That was awesome. Deploying web wings.
So there's probably 20 or so vendors with entire aquariums of seafood.
Whoa, heads up.
This lady, she's really nice to us, and she was really showing us her
Here
collection
comes
of seafood,
Spider-Man.
so we've chosen to come buy our seafood from her.
She was recommending half sashimi and half.
There's the sound of Spider-Man. Now I'm looking for my other Spider-Man figure, the integrated one. There's also an unboxing video of it. If you haven't seen it, please do check it out. I really love Marvel and I love DC as well. So
very simple, kind of maybe salt steam preparation.
If you have time, please do enjoy my unboxing videos because I think in the future I hope that if creating it, I hope that I'd be able to get the other ones, the new ones. Yes, there's the
It's a slip of luck
integrated suit.
that this is in season. It has actually been
The integrated suit looks awesome. I customized
like
the
a
black paint
prehistoric
in the lines
detail.
using permanent marker and alcohol and acetone. It,
Ultra fresh. There you go. Okay, fish.
yep, thank you for watching.